this little goat. Look, this little black goat.
Can I touch it?
Yeah,
You seen these ones, Lisa?
we do not.
Which one?
These snakes.
No.
These ones here, man. This is an Egyptian cobra.
I know, I've seen it.
Check. This one is, what is this one, Kay?
It's a western diamond black rattlesnake.
What does it eat?
It doesn't say. It just says highly venomous.
That's all you worried about, eh?
Yeah,
Just rust across.
It was there all the time.
See.
Hey, it just moved
I
across.
can't see that one.
Lift it up here.
there.
Okay, come.
Can't see up there.
It's right at the back. See?
It's a vulture.
Not really. It's just a snake.
They're nice. Another
Yeah, it's moving.
thing.
David. Look at this one here. It's a red snake.
That one there with the big one.
Oh.
That one's a bit otherwise.
Mm.
This one's okay.
You can touch it one just now, right?
You can't touch it, man.
No, not the snake, the little goat.
Oh, the goat.
Look at those two snakes. Look, they're up there all the time. They're still like that.
I wish you could do
It
this.
doesn't say where it's from.
What, this one?
Yeah.
What is it called?
Western diamond black rattlesnake. It's probably from. Told me it was a night adder, and it is. It's like diamond shapes.
Who told you it was a night header?
A girl from Anley, a chemist, when I was working there. So I described it to her, and I said it had like, dark and light markings, like diamond shapes almost.
Where is it?
Yeah, it's under that grass stuff.
I nearly stood on one, Paul. It's venomous, hey?
Yeah.
Where is
There, under that grass over there, in that rock
But
there.
these snakes are easily identified by the V-shaped pattern on the top of their heads. Although they're called night adders, they can still be found during the day basking in the sun. It's exactly, before we had that cement thing at the back, Paul, remember? We
Yeah,
had grass there, and I went out to put out some washing, and Boosie was still there.
yeah.
And I looked at the snakes, the place where the guy spent time in the cage. with the
It's
whole-
in Margate. It's in here.
Huh?
It's somewhere in here.
I know, but I mean, there's one there by the window there as well.
They're not, Daddy.
That's like the one you had by your surgery, Paul.
Yeah, I know.
Snake.
Yeah.
Okay, we're coming.
Look.
We just want to look at this one first. Imagine the guy that goes in here to water the ferns. Wouldn't catch me there.
They two.
Black mamba.
One.
One.
Oh, it's one. One. Oh, it's one. Mommy.
That one's poisonous, you see.
Where is the nice snake? Look on that. Is it nice snake? Oh, look at that. Look at that.
Yes, it's the tortoise. Look, the tortoise is walking. Look, Lisa, it's walking out of its shell. Got its legs out. Can you see? He can't walk.
Is it shell cracked or am I imagining things?
Mommy,
Yeah, it looks
look.
cracked.
Puppy.
Yeah.
Look, there's 2 owls. 1, 2, 2.
Yeah.
1, 2. 1, 2. Daddy. Oh, look, there's 2 big
Lisa, what colour are those parrots?
Red.
Red. Do you like them?
Yes.
What are the colours on them, Lisa?
Do you reckon,
Green.
And?
do you reckon they can talk or anything like that?
No.
You don't think so?
No.
How come?
Look at our
16 for all of us.
How much?
16 all of us. You sound like a bird. Hmm.
Look at look at
You like the birdies, Mark? To shoot this one. These looks like some lovely white parrots. You can shoot them straight without having any wire in the way. That's a crested crane. That's like the oaks up the road used to have as a pet. No, that's just a sort of pigeon thing. Fantail pigeon, I think they're called.
Beautiful feather.
Yeah, you're right. Okay, what's this one?
Blue-fronted Amazon, South America.
Blue-fronted Amazon, okay. What's this? Ringneck?
Ringneck Lutino from India.
Ah.
Okay, what you saying, eh? What you saying, eh? Huh?
Did you talk? Hello, it said hello.
Hello? This bird is talking, Lisa.
Come and listen to it talk, Lisa.
Come, this bird is
Hello.
Come.
Hello.
This bird said hello. Listen to it.
Listen to it say hello.
Hello? See? Do you hear it? It's a clever bird. It's talking. It's an Amazon. Hello? Hello?
Hello.
Hello?
Hello.
Star parakeet from Asia. They're like a moustache. Did you hear it, Lee? No, Mikey. The moustache parakeet, you can see it's got like a black moustache underneath.
Indeed it has, yes. There it is, there you see. Do you hear that one talk, East?
What did it say? It's a clever bird, eh?
Lisa tries to talk to it like us and having a conversation.
Yeah. What did the parrot say?
The parrot says that these other birds, these other things are sad.
Talk to it?
What's it there?
It talks, eh? You heard it. Hello?
What did you say?
Hello? Yeah.
Hello.
Hello?
Hello.
Hello? That's your common budgie. Common budgie. What are these, Claire?
Red Nori from the Buru Islands.
Which island?
Guru. B-U-R-U.
Okay.
B-U-R-U.
Lovely plumage. Lovely plumage. You like it, huh?
Huh?
It's a sort of,
Which
what is it? Like what is it?
one?
It's like a peacock thing. Big, huh? These, okay, what are these ones, please?
Hasn't got a name.
No, it must be on the cage. Oh, yeah. Lovely duck.
Oh, aren't they beautiful? Oh, did a close up of them.
I did.
Lovely. It's like a picture painting. Each little piece
Duck
is
has
painted
Canadian
in colour.
duck.
This is probably like a mallard duck. They should have. Gee, it's like taking out little pieces of different colours, like a jigsaw puzzle, putting it in. What about these here? Pennant rosella from Australia.
An Aussie bird, eh?
Yeah, it's beautiful.
Yeah.
And so is this one. Sun continue.
Plumage.
This way, love.
Got the most wonderful plumage, eh?
Beautiful. One in the water. We're going to take one of the whole family and Stephen as well.
Can I touch it?
Look at Mikey, Paul. Film him.
You want to touch it, Marco?
Look at up on there. Look at that.
Yeah.
Go shoot.
What do you want me to do, Lisa? Push you. Okay.
Recording.
Ah, hey, hey, hey. Come on, Marco. Hey. Don't look good. Okay. Right. Okay. Wait. Okay, stop. Otherwise somebody... All right.